landscapes and the biodiversity above and below water are so abundant. Most of the natural wonders of our world are under threat. Most of them are in third world countries struggling to feed their peoples. The main reason why rainforests are deforested and rare animals mercilessly hunted. For those in need, this is barely enough with which to survive. Profits are pocketed by unscrupulous traders. Since 1972, UNESCO has been attempting to counter this. By awarding the title World Natural Heritage Site, it provides a seal of quality for primordial nature, a veritable magnet for high-quality individual tourism. Through tourism, a symbiosis of nature and commerce is created, and the population made aware that it is more than worthwhile to preserve nature. We are in the west of Costa Rica. Here, the region known as Guanacaste begins directly on the Pacific coast. It was declared a UNESCO World Natural Heritage Site in 1999 and consists of the Santa Rosa, Guanacaste, and Rincón de la Vieja National Parks. The area, which covers some 100,000 hectares, stretches from the Pacific coast across the mountains inland, some of which are 2,000 meters tall, to the lowlands facing the Caribbean. Some 230,000 species of flora and fauna thrive in diverse habitats. The dry forest region, with its 60,000 hectares, is one of the last of its kind in Central America. Located on the Pacific coast are Cape Santa Helena and the nature reserve San Antonio. There is a natural beach, but sun worshippers are a rarity. Breathtaking. An offshore reef and mangrove foothills certainly provide the credentials for a Caribbean picture postcard. Here on the fine sandy beach of the bay, hermit crabs set about a cracked coconut. Decapods are abundant here, bear their name to the Greek philosopher Diogenes, who, according to legend, lived in a wine cask. However, hermit crabs don't tend to live in wine barrels, but use empty mussels or snail shells to protect themselves from predators. Their abdomen is bare, and without the shells, they are defenseless when attacked. Because of the absence of humans, the small creatures can go about their business undisturbed. There are left-handed and right-handed hermit crabs, according to where the largest pincer is, which they also use to close their snail shells. When danger looms, they simply withdraw into the shell and forget the world outside. First encounter with the primeval on the edge of a